Hello and welcome back. We're here with the yellow Defender now. This is the orange Defender here, but now with the yellow one. And today we're going to be sorting out Tim's lights to get them working. So he's got a fault with some wires have fallen out and they're just not working at all, so we're going to find out what's going on. So on the yellow Defender here, we've followed the cables back from the spotlights. They go behind the front right headlight here and up to a relay just here. We've got a fuse. So we're going to check out this relay, see if everything's working on here, and see if we can find out where the switch is, because we don't even know where the switch is inside either. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is check that we've got power to it from the battery. So we've got 12.6 volts here, so that'll be our permanent line. That'll come to one side of the relay. Then we'll have a switch line which will come from the cab. So we've got our permanent 12 volts here. We'll just check the fuse, make sure the fuse is okay. It's a little bit corroded. Okay, so that fuse is gone. So we'll replace that, then have another go and see if it makes any difference. Okay, so we've replaced that fuse. Now I'm going to check the switch line. So there'll be a cable here, which comes from the cab, with power on it to tell the relay to activate and turn the spotlights on the front. It is proving a little bit tricky to get off. I'll get some pliers. Pull this off here. When pulling connectors out of a relay or anything, always pull the actual connector itself, not the cable, because if you pull the cable, you're likely to pull it from the connector. Seized on. Okay, so that's the relay broken. That is completely seized on there, but it is rusted on there, well and true. So this might be a relay that's already broken. I can't get this off. Why can't we get it off? No, because it's rusted on the side.
Doesn't surprise me.
Okay, let's just check this. Right, if you're going to flip the switches inside.
Yes.
Try that other switch inside. Okay. What about that switch on the dash? Try them. Try full beam lights. Oh, what's that? Is that full beam?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So there's a full beam switch. So that's all working correctly. We can turn them off now. So we know we've got power going directly to the relay. We've got power coming down our switch line. But the lights aren't working, so it must be that relay that is at fault, which doesn't surprise me because it's all rusty inside, and it's definitely got a fault now because I cracked the case on it, so it's no longer it's now susceptible to the elements. So we'll replace that relay and have a look at the lights. Okay, so while searching for a new relay up in the store, we found a spare LED spotlight. So we're going to fit that on spotlight light. It's a dual one. So we'll fit that as well on the front. But first we'll replace this relay. It is just an identical one, so it's just a case of swapping the cables over exactly where they were. So if you don't understand relays, as long as you swap over the numbers for what they are, you'll be safe. If not, there is a lot of information online as to the layout of relays and how they operate. As well as just replacing the bog standard relay, we're going to put on it a fly lead, connector onto there, and then we'll just straight through crimp all these cables. going to strengthen them through, just to help prevent all this rusting happening, because it is a very wet area here. So I'm not going to move the relay now into a more dry location. We'll just seal it up as best we can with that. Now I would go into depth, I'd say, about how a relay works, etc. But this is only going to be a short video, so I don't want to spend ages explaining it. And without a diagram or a chart, it can be quite hard to explain if you know anything about electrics at all. So let's get on with it and replace this. First thing I'm going to do is this one here has luckily been wired with a fuse just before the relay. So I'm just swing that fuse. That'll say it was isolating at the battery. Really, you should isolate at the battery, but well, I've been an electrician for about 15 years, so it's I understand fully what's going on here. If you don't understand fully what's going on, disconnect the battery completely and you'll be safe. Okay, so that's the relay all wired up and sealed up. We'll screw this onto the body now, and then we'll change that front light. As you can hear, pin coming from front, cutting off per bolt. It's typical, really. Okay, that is us finished the wiring in that light. Change those two spotlights over there, over that single light there. It's only a 20 watt flood and spotlight. It's like a dual one, so if you flash it, it goes spot, and normal running it will be flood. So yeah, but we've done it in tandem with the main lead headlights, so yeah, that's good. So that's us done with the spotlight. It's all working now, we've tested it, it's all running. So it's all a good job in the end, after replacing that relay and finding this light. Perfect. Now Tim can fit his mud flap, which was the main issue, because first of all he just wanted to move the wiring to the light, then realised that it didn't work. Then we decided to replace the relay, and then we thought we'd replace the whole light. So thanks for watching. If you like that video, please like it, and hopefully subscribe and see more of our videos coming in the future.